Everything is always a project. This is the hole that we buried Neptune in, and our cat that was in the freezer. I started digging the hole a long time ago because there is a couple of fig trees over there. I was gifted a very large fig tree, and this is my burn pile. And those used to be, it used to be a big sunflower patch, and it's just a constant project, which is nice. Gives us something to do. But the weather is gorgeous out here, and I get to come out here and watch the ducks and the chickens find their way back in. I'm thinking about putting up cameras, just farm life cameras. Star's newest babies are doing really well. They're what, 4 days old now? 5 days old? She's an excellent mother. Just excellent. And Gayla's an excellent puppy. Huh, Gayla? Oh, wait, that's Duke. Hi, Dookie Dookie. How are you? Hi. Oh, one of the greatest gifts I've ever given, huh? Thank you, Christy, for giving me Duke. He's awesome. He's awesome with everybody, but he does hate fireworks and gunshots. Huh. Huh, big boy. Yeah. He's a good dog. Let's see what's happening over here. Is there a standoff between mommy and baby? Babies want to do what they want to do, but we're going to extend that pen along the back, up around behind that tree, make another small yard over there. I like having emergency housing up near the house. You know, when babies are giving birth and things like that, it's nice to be able to hear everybody. So unbelievably cute.